Cassandra Ong makes her first appearance at a public hearing conducted by the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality on the alleged illegal activities of Philippine offshore gaming operators hubs in Pampanga and Tarlac Tuesday, September 17, 2024. The Court of Appeals (CA) has denied the petition for certiorari filed by Cassandra Ong, an incorporator of Whirlwind Corporation, in connection with qualified human trafficking charges against her. In a 7-page decision promulgated on June 25, 2025, the appellate court rejected Ong's appeal, which sought to overturn the National Prosecution Service's (NPS) resolution indicting her for qualified human trafficking. On May 13, 2025, Ong filed her petition without first seeking reconsideration or appeal, as required under the Department of Justice (DOJ) Rules of Procedure. She argued that bypassing these remedies was justified due to public statements made by Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Ramallah and what she claimed were due process violations by the DOJ NPS. The CA noted that Ong only received a copy of the DOJ resolution on May 2, 2025, although news outlets had reported the indictment as early as April 28. Prosecutor General Benedicto Malcontento was quoted in reports confirming the criminal information had been filed before the regional trial court in Angeles City. The next day, another outlet reported, citing an unnamed DOJ official, that the case would be transferred to a Pasig court. In subsequent public statements, Ramallah expressed confidence in the prosecutor's findings, saying on April 30 and May 1 that they had found more than probable cause against Ong. The appellate court's ruling. The CA ruled that Ong's petition was premature, noting that she failed to exhaust plain, speedy, and adequate remedies, specifically a motion for reconsideration or an appeal, both allowed under DOJ rules on preliminary investigation. Reconsideration was a plain, speedy, and adequate remedy in the ordinary course of law available to petitioner that barred her from immediately availing of certiorari, the ruling read. The court dismissed Ong's claim that such remedies would be futile, rejecting her argument that alleged due process violations and speculative DOJ findings justified skipping ordinary procedures. It explained that under legal doctrine, certiorari is only appropriate after all administrative remedies have been exhausted. On May 15, 2025, the Angeles City Regional Trial Court Branch 118 issued a warrant of arrest for Ong, former human rights lawyer Harry Roque, and 48 others. They are accused of involvement in human trafficking activities linked to Lucky South 99, a Philippine offshore gaming operator, POGO, facility raided by authorities on June 5, 2024. The accused include alleged incorporators, directors, stockholders, officers, authorized representatives, and/or employees of Lucky South 99.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest hot news of the press.